Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a text field auto-resize in Flutter. Let's start with a simple chat app. At the bottom of the chat screen is our input box. We can type in some text and send it. Everything looks fine. But the problem is, when the text is too long and exceeds the width of the box, it doesn't wrap automatically. And we also have no way to start a new line, because the enter key doesn't work. The input box is implemented using the text field widget. To solve these problems, let's take a look at its documentation. To control the height of the text field, we need to use the max lines property. Max lines defaults to 1. In this case, the text will only expand horizontally, which explains the problems we encountered earlier. You can also set max lines to null. This will automatically adjust the size of the input box based on the text. Sounds good. Let's try it. Save and reload. Notice that the text is now wrapped automatically. Let's add some more text. And the enter key works too. This is interesting. Oh, it looks like the height is overflowing. Maybe we should go back to the documentation. Max lines can also be set to a number greater than 1 to limit the maximum number of lines. That's great. Let's set it to 12. Save and reload. The input box is now back to normal. Click Send. Oh, this is not what we expected. The input box doesn't resize. It seems to be fixed at 12 lines. Let's go back to the documentation again. It says we can also specify a min lines value so that the input box doesn't start out too big. Let's set min lines to 1 and wait for the app to reload. Looks good. Let's try typing some text. Typing a short line of text? Of course, no problem. Typing a long line of text? It wraps automatically. Now let's try the enter key. It works. Try typing more than 12 lines of text. The input box doesn't overflow, and the text can even scroll. This is exactly what we want. See you next time.